Good morning, President Ryson, the Board of Justice, faculties, esteemed guests, family, friends, and of course, my fellow graduates of the HAHU class of 2025. Before I begin, I'd like to take a moment to honor my family who are here with me today and those who are watching all the way from Vietnam. Con xin chào ông bà, các bác, ba mẹ, cô chú, anh chị em, các bạn đã đến dự lễ tốt nghiệp của con ngày hôm nay ạ. Class of 2025, it feels so good to stand before you today, especially because I finally get to see the top of everyone's head up from here. As someone who's always the shortest in the room, I spend my whole life looking up to others. Most of the time out of necessity, of course, but more often out of admiration, and the people I admire most tower over others, not in height either, but in character. My parents, with their strength and endless sacrifice, are the reason why I'm standing here today. In 2013, my family left everything familiar in Vietnam so my mom could pursue her master's degree right here at NHU. At the time, she was juggling jobs to support the family, raising two young kids, taking care of my dad at the hospital, all while shooting me and my sister through the stress so that we could be the carefree kids all children deserve to be. Through it all, she graduated a Mother Tough of her class year. 10 years later, I now stand in the very place she once stood, following her footsteps and carrying forward her lessons with me. My parents are the people I've always looked up to, and today as I look around the room, I see the same strength, perseverance, and inspiration in all of you. Because no matter how different our journeys have been, we've all faced challenges and probably had to sacrifice some sleep to get here. But despite our questionable sleep schedules, there's one thing I know we've all mastered: dreaming. Not the kind that happens when you actually do sleep, but the dreams we hold on to when we're awake. The kind that pushes you forward even when the path is unclear. And I believe we all dream of changing the world in some way. But the truth is, before we can change the world, we need to know what it truly looks like. To see the world's beauty in its entirety, we must accept its pain, its chaos, and its imperfections. Most importantly, we need to look within ourselves, because change doesn't start out there, it's there right here. If you want to see kindness, be kind. If you want justice, then stand for what's right. If you want a better future, then shape it with your own hands. The people you and I looked up to do the most didn't wait for the world to change. They trained themselves first. They saw the world for what it was, and then they imagined what it could be. And now, my fellow graduates, it's our turn. Soon, we'll walk across the stage, ready to step into the world. But no matter where life takes us next, let's never stop looking up, not just to those who inspire us, but to the possibilities ahead, to the challenges that will shape us, and to the dreams that will drive us. Class of 2025, the world is waiting, and the question is, what will you do? Congratulations and Rangel, xin cảm ơn.